Hello friends, this is Dr. Neeta Pachauri. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner. I previously described to you about an oil that can treat premature hair graying and it can also help turn white hair into black. Some people are asking me that how it is actually possible. It is a normal question about this because it seems very tough to turn white hair into black again. So firstly, we all should know the cause of whitening of hair. As we all know, the first thing that is a cause of white hair is the deficiency of melanin, and the second is deficiency of vitamin B12 and protein, iron, calcium, and the third one is the toxins of our body which are produced as free radicals and cause aging as they are not utilized by free radicals. So our hair goes black into white. The last and the main cause of this process is that a lot of stress and tension in our life. Sometimes heredity and sometimes excessive amount of sodium chloride means salt can cause of it. Sometimes long-term sinus infection can a cause for it, and taking a long term of some medicines can also cause of it. It is a very common question that how can we change grey hair into original color? From old time to new era, all people are interested in searching a formula that can help them prevent aging. In simple way, we all are in search of treatment that can prevent graying of hair and also prevent aging. From old times, it is saying that we can prevent aging by some herbs called rasayan. In Ayurveda, those herbs called rasayan, and those herbs can prevent aging. These herbs are rich with antioxidants, so they prevent manufacturing or production of free radicals in our body, and they also give strength to our body. According to Journal of Research in Ayurveda and Siddha edition of 1980, Dr. Kuppu Rajan and his team demonstrated that if a person takes ashwagandha root powder for a long time, it acts as a rasayan. It increases the blackening of hair. They had given this powder to 101 people of the age group of 50 to 59. It proves the authenticity of Ayurveda, which says that ashwagandha, bhringraj, amla, haran are good rasayan and they can stop aging. Take a rich amount of antioxidant in your daily routine so we can stop the production of free radicals in our body. Now I am going to tell you the next thing that is described as a medicine of white spots on the skin. The herb that enhances the production of melanin in our body. Now I am going to tell you the specialty of my herbal hair oil. Neeta's herbal natural oil is made from some herbs that can restore melanin in our hair root, and it is a rich source of protein, vitamin B12 and also potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium and some other minerals. I have added some herbs that act as a rasayan and they prevent the production of free radicals in our body, so prevents aging. It is an all-in-one herbal formula for all of you. Every aspect to stop the hair graying is included in it. It also helps to gain your original color hair from white hair. But it is after a long term application, minimum of 3 months. With this oil application, you should maintain a rich protein diet. Try to keep your stress level low and take minimum amount of salt in diet because it causes bleaching of hair. With this oil, I also recommend a herbal medicine that enhance the results. So I can say that it is a very good combination of herbs and minerals that can stop the graying of hair and helps to turn them into your original hair color. Thank you.